Hello, welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to actually have a good look at this, to do a bit of Googling to find out what it was. First of all, bear with me though, I'm full of the dreaded man flu. If you get what I mean, not too well. So if I cough, I do apologise. Yes, so this is a Viro chain link lock. I did that through, I just took a picture of it and Googled it. So I was very interested in what it was. So we unlock it, and you pull your pin out, and you put your chain in there. I think this would have been attached to this would have maybe attached to another chain or something. But I know you attach your chain in there, lock it, take it out, and then, as you can see, all secure. I know you saw quickly pick this, but I'm going to try and pick it properly now in a vise. Also, I've had a request, so it should be up maybe on my next video. Someone's asked me to repin this with some security pins. They'd like to see actually being repinned and then picked. So we will sort something out about that. At the moment, it looks like I'm going to get my file out and widen these a little bit so we can see these pins much clearly. But yeah, hopefully in the coming video we'll have a go at doing that. Got my pinning kit somewhere, I've just got to find the right one with the actual spools and serrations and stuff. But right, let's get into this. Yeah, so I've got the old dreaded man flu. Decided to kick in the other day. My kids though, comes from school, germinators. Right, let's have a look at that. Is that there? No. Better place there. We go there. So let's bring that down because we're focusing on everything else but the lock for some strange reason. Let's look at the bit in. There we go. It's not super adventurous, but we've got what we got, and we know it works perfectly fine. Right, so we'll go for a medium hook. Where's me homemade tension wrench? There we go. I do apologise. Let's have a look. In the bottom, actually, let's try a pry bars. No, too big. No, if it's not the bottom, we'll do the top. There we go. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, we got a little click from number 5. Instant movement on the core. I think that was an overset then. Oh, we definitely got a bit of a counter. Oh, getting, you see that? I'm getting counter on 2. Oh, we've got just touched 3 then, and we've got even more of a fault set. So we don't definitely this definitely comes with spools. So that's got some really nice weight to it, this thing as well. Oh. Just 1 second. Let's look at the first pin. Nope. second pin. So I'm getting no more counter now. Actually, I'm just checking. That's not trapped on anything now. Oh, we're getting a bit of counter again. I think that's number one pin. Oh, we set one then, and we did get another part of the fault set. I mean, I did this quicker in my hand, but I started to do a lot of locks in my hands at one point, and I got too used to doing it, and I really need to get back to doing it in the vise. Definitely getting. Do you know what? I may just have to tension it from the top. Because I'm getting a lot of thingy from the bottom then. Get a bit of cramp. Just give me 1 second. No, we'll do it for a bit bottom again. Definitely just me. Just off today. Being unwell. Right. Now it's just being funky. There we go. The pins were all jammed and stuck then. Right, we've got another fault set again. We've got another fault set there, and that was from pin 1. That's set. 2 set, 3 set. And there we are, 3. Needed 3 and then was done. Well, that did take me longer than in the hand. That's funny. Let's unzoom it. But it is what it is. And as you can see, we are open. And that was it. Yeah. Yeah, they got a little bit jammed up on that last bit. So I nearly, let's double check. Yeah, I nearly ended up bending my pick, which I don't want to. But yeah, that was another good one. Grease everywhere. That's off my bloody vise. That. But yeah, that's one out of the box done. Like I say, we know it was a fairly little easy one, but hey, we've got to start somewhere. But yeah. So that's it for till next time. Like I say, we'll have got a repinning that because, like I say, people request stuff. I do enjoy doing what I can when it comes to requests. If I can help someone out or they need information on something, I will do my best. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you same time next week. Bye.